أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Please start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good, nice. I shared for you screen from the beginning.
It says Alif Ba Ta Alif Ba Ta.
All letters.
Alif Ba Ta Tha Jim Ha Kha.
Keep going.
Alif Ba Ta Tha Jim Ha Tha. Alif Ba Ta Tha Jim Ha Kha. Dal Zal Ra Za. Sin and Shin.
Next. After the sin and shin, which letter?
I forgot.
After the shin and shin, which letter? You forgot it. No. Oh my God. Sod. After the shin, which letter? This one? Sod. What?
Sod.
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 Sod. Okay. Sod. Okay, repeat it. Don't stop.
Sod. 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 Sod.
Okay.
Sod.
1 second. Wait. Bismillah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go back from the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 you will read first, after that second, third and fourth. From the Sod, go back.
Sod. Sin. Za.
Nice. Good. Nice. Student name is Nadin. Which vegetable like? Oh, what's noise, background noise you are listening from my side? That's dog voice. Understand?
Yes.
1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, 4, and this one 5. Nice. Okay. MashaAllah. First. First is which name? First letter? Dod.
Dog.
Nice. MashaAllah. I appreciate you. Dod. Which letter first?
Dog.
Before? Sod. Sod.
Son.
Dod and Sod. Okay, go back. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. In this style. Your lesson only this. Yeah, please.
Wait, what did you say again?
First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Green highlighting letters.
Okay. Dot, sod, shin, sin, za.
Okay, sometime repeat it. It's your exercise. When you will expert in exercise, then you will expert in Quran reading. Okay, please. Keep going. Again, repeat it. Complete.
Sa,
Do.
dot, sod, shin, no, sin, shin, za.
Keep going. Don't miss. Don't start. Don't stop. Without stopping, continue. Hurry up, my favorite student. Nadin.
Dot,
Dot. Sod.
shin, sin, za.
Great. Continue. Okay, mashallah. Clappings for Nadin. Clapping for
Nabi.
nice. Okay. When I will highlight one, then you will read that first time, and when I will highlight any letter 5, then you will after 4. Okay, yeah, in this style we will starting now. It's new style, inshallah. Bismillah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and yeah, its game started now. Start. Stepwise, you will read first 1, first you read, okay, 2 after that, 3 after that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, please hurry up. You can read first. Number 1.
Ra, Alif, Jim, Sa, Ha,
Nice. Nice, good student. Hmm.
Za, Ba,
Number 1 read.
Za. Ra,
Ra. Okay, number 2.
Alif,
3,
Jim,
4,
Sa,
5,
Ha,
6, 6, 6. What happened? Number 6, tell me. Are you there?
Ba,
6. Number 6.
I'm trying to see.
Number 5.
Ha,
And number 6.
Za,
Nice.
Ba,
7 bar 8.
number 7 is Ba.
Number 7 is ba, and number 8 is
Yes. Dot,
nice. You are a lucky. You are a winner in this game. Number 8 and number 9.
number 9. Ka,
Kha. Nice. 10.
تھا
11. MashaAllah. 12.
12 means
Hmm. MashaAllah. Good reading. 12 and 13.
دار
14.
صاد
15.
سین
Oh, MashaAllah. Nice, nice, nice. I'm very happy because my favorite student is reading very,
good
very good, very well. Intelligent, MashaAllah. Talented student. Which name talented student? Which name my favorite student?
nothing
Nice. Now, number 1. Tell me. Hmm. Number 1. Find it.
I'm trying to wait
Very interesting game. Right? Can you like it? Mind exercise game. Can you like it game? Nadine, are you there? Hello. Oh, I think Nadine has gone. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإن على ذلك لشهيد وإنه ذلك لشهيد وإن I forgot some words ayats in this surah. I will inshallah explain, memorize, after that tell you inshallah. I am also human being. I forget it some lines. Inshallah I will remember. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون. Oh, welcome back. Nadin.
My iPad
We,
died.
iPad died. Before class, charge full, please. After today, from next time. Yeah, please. Okay. Nice. Oh, inna lillah. Okay, please continue your lesson. Number one.
Number one is
Number wise you continue, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
raw.
Don't stop, keep going, please.
And then alif.
In this style read. First one, number one alif, number two number one raw,
is dream.
number one raw. In this style we will read. Number one raw, number two alif, number three jim, number four sa. In this style from the number one. Start, please. Very interesting game.
You said what?
Year's game is very interesting. Numbers, alphabets, number one, number two, number three. Number wise continue, please. Keep going. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Intelligent student.
Number 4 is sa. Number 5 is ha. Number 6 is zal.
Nice. Continue.
Sorry, my friends are texting me too much. 6 is zal. Number 7 is ba. Number 8 is dad. Number 9 is ha. I mean
Qa.
ka.
Qa. 10.
Number 10. Number 10 is ta. Number 11 is sheen. Number 12 is za. Number 13 is dot. Number 14 is sod. Number 15 is sheen.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. My student expert now. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah. Okay. And this one, which letter?
I don't know.
Twa. 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 Sorry. No. I will teach you with easy style. Twa. Twa. Continue. Twa.
Twa.
Very big side letters. Twa. Now good. Twa. Repeat it.
Twa. Twa.
Don't stop.
Twa. 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 Twa.
And with one dot letter, which letter? With one dot after that, after twa. Dua. Allahu Akbar. Nice.
Twa. Twa. Twa.
One.
Twa. Twa. Twa.
Dua.
Twa. 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 Or
Sometimes you can repeat it. After that we will start inshallah hadith lesson.
why?
Easy lesson. After that we will start. Okay. Sometime 10 time repeat it. After that we will finish this lesson. Good student.
Twas the
Thwa, voa, thwa, voa, thwa, voa, thwa.
or Zua Twa Zua Twa Zua Twa Zua Twa Zua.
How many dots on thwa?
No dot.
One dot on each letter.
What?
One dot on which letter?
Zua.
Nice, good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, hadith lesson we will start now. Inshallah. Again, rejoin meeting, okay? VT meeting, rejoin. Disconnect the meeting, again join, okay? Yeah, nice.